Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you want to make real progress learning a new language, having a solid plan is absolutely key. But setting up that plan can sometimes feel overwhelming or messy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own customized language learning plan using a free Notion template. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started quickly and how to make your study routine look organized, motivating, and professional, even if you're brand new to Notion. So let's dive right in. For this demo, we'll be using the free language learning plan template available within Notion. Templates like this are an amazing shortcut because they're designed by experts to give your workspace a polished, robust look. Instead of starting totally from scratch, you'll be able to focus immediately on learning, not on fiddling with design. Plus, you can customize it later so it matches your personal style and needs. Here's where to start. When you're inside Notion, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a little drop-down menu. It's subtle, but it's your gateway to a lot of powerful features. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. Now, you're going to look for more options. This menu sometimes feels a little hidden if you're new to Notion, but trust me, it unlocks some really handy tools. Once you've clicked More Options, select Browse Templates. This is your ticket to discovering pre-made page layouts for basically anything. But today, we're searching for the language learning plan. Take a second here and type language learning plan into the search bar at the top. Notion has a huge template library, so using keywords like this saves so much time. You should see a few different options pop up. Each template is a little different in terms of structure and aesthetics, and here's the fun part. Pick the one that best matches your goals or your personal taste. Maybe you like something super minimal, or maybe you prefer colorful blocks and icons to keep you inspired. Select the template you want by clicking on it, then just hit Add. This instantly copies the template onto your own Notion workspace. Now, let's personalize it. Most templates have some clearly marked areas, things like where you can add your language credentials, goals, and study schedule. Go ahead and input your credentials, maybe your current level, the language you're focusing on, and what you're aiming for. This sets your map for the journey ahead, and trust me, having it clearly laid out right at the start is both motivating and super practical. But you're not stuck with just the default template. You can truly make this plan your own. Try adding some creative touches. Switch out the icons, change the cover image, add a personal motto, or drop in your favorite motivational quote. Little details can make the workspace feel inviting and honestly, way more fun to return to every day. And if you feel intimidated by customizing, don't worry. Notion makes it super easy. Drag and drop, click to edit, experiment as much as you want. Remember, it's your space to learn. That's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you now have a professional-looking language learning plan that's totally personalized. This approach not only saves you a ton of time, but also gives you a clear, organized starting point. So instead of getting bogged down by setup, you can focus on what actually matters, practicing and progressing in your new language. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical tutorials like this one. And if you run into any issues or just want to share your own experience with Notion, drop me a comment below. I always love hearing how these templates work for you. Good luck with your language learning journey, and I'll see you in the next video.